So if you clicked on this video, then you're either a business person, a salesperson, or someone trying to start a business. Well, let's start from here. How about selling me this marker? Well, I know so many people find it very hard to be able to sell something to someone. A few days ago, I was trying out an experiment, so I asked a couple of people to sell this marker to me. This is how they tried to sell the marker to me. Oh, buy this marker, it's blue in color.
It's amazing, it can write well,
and it sticks really good.
And yeah, the price is good.
So you can buy it. Well, I wasn't impressed. I didn't want to buy the marker. I didn't have the interest in buying the marker. Why was that? That was because they didn't sell the marker to me the right way. So whether you're a professional, an entrepreneur, or someone just looking to make some extra bucks by the side through sales, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. Oh, and before we dive right in, if this is your first time in this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you're a returning subscriber, of course, you already know you are amazing. Hack number 1, believing in what you're selling. Well, it doesn't matter if you just have a sales role or you are the owner of the business or you're selling for someone else, you need to believe in what you are selling. If you do not believe in what you are selling, how do you expect someone else to believe in what you are about to sell to them? If I am a potential customer and I come to your company to be able to buy something and you are not even convinced about what you are trying to sell to me, I'm gonna turn around and walk away, and so will so many people. So you need to believe in what you are selling, because believing in what you are selling is extremely crucial for your sales success. And of course, it doesn't matter how amazing your product or your service is. If you do not believe in what you are about to sell, people can easily see right through you. So if you want to be successful in your sales, you need to train yourself to love what you are about to sell, to believe in what you're about to sell. And just like Alex Hormozi said in one of his videos, you need to believe in everything you are selling, because that's the foundation of your sales success. Now guys, don't forget to hang on until the end, because at the end of this video, I'm gonna give you an amazing tip that will help you sell anything to anyone. So after believing in what you are selling, the next hack in order for you to have sales success is to understand your audience. You need to know what they want, what they need, why they need what they need, why they want to buy what you have, the pains, the struggles that they go through. Why would they want to buy what you are selling? So the very first thing you should ask yourself is, how can what I have solve my customers' problems? If I'm about to sell a marker, how can this marker solve problems? Who are my target customers? Who am I supposed to sell to? Maybe I'm supposed to sell to factories, maybe to bookkeeping companies. They need markers, of course. So you need to understand who needs to buy what you are selling, who wants to buy what you are selling, and why would they want to buy that. Of course, maybe at the libraries, they lack markers to be able to jot down important points on books. So when you understand your target audience, you'll be able to better tailor your sales pitch to what they want, to what they need, to the problems that they have. Take a look at Lamborghini, for example. Look at Ferrari, for example. Look at Rolls-Royce, for example. Look at Porsche, for example. Most of these car companies, they don't try to do sales like every other regular car company out there. Take a look at Rolex, for example. They don't sell watches like everyone else. Rolex, they already have the customers. They know the customers. They know how to speak to the audience. They know who wants their stuff. Most Rolex buyers know that buying a Rolex is a source of investment. Of course, with time, the Rolex watches increase in their worth. So most people who are buying that, they already understand that concept. So the Rolex company doesn't just go about speaking to people, oh, buy my watch, you can read your time, and it's like this, it's like that. No, they don't do that. It's right there. So that's why most of these sports car companies, they just make sure that they can explain to you how fast the car is, you know, 1 or 2 aspects of the comfort of that car. They don't need to speak much, and they will still seal the deal with the customer. So if you can understand your customers perfectly, how to solve their needs, what they want, what they need, how your products or services will solve their problem, then you are good to go. You can easily seal that deal. So first, believe in what you are selling, and next, understand your target audience to be able to make sure that you serve them what they want. So on to hack number 3, guys. Be confident. This particular point cuts across all walks of life, not just sales. It cuts across every single sector. Why is that? Because in everything you do, you need to be confident. Put your head up, put your chest up, speak well, speak fluently. Do your best to be able to explain things better. Do your best to be able to make someone feel convinced in you. Take a look at this situation, for example. All right, you are a librarian I am someone who wants to sell you these markers so you can use at your library. Now, I am not confident enough. So you come to buy and I'm trying to sell this to you. I'm a salesperson. I'm trying to sell this to you. And I'm like, if you buy this, you will... Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, madam. Yes, if you buy...
This will be good because, you see, it's...
No, don't do that. That is not how you sell something to someone. If you want to sell something to someone, keep your head up. Look at the person. Eye contact is very important. Your body language is very important. Do not feel like you don't know what you're talking about. Be confident. You need to understand that nobody wants to buy something from someone who isn't confident about what they are selling. So if you're not confident about what you are selling, nobody will want to buy from you. And this is usually a very big problem for so many salespersons. So many huge companies have lost a lot of money just because they didn't have amazing salespersons who were confident enough. It's just like a relationship between a man and a woman. Most women, most ladies want to be with a man who carries himself in the right way. Most women want to be with a man who is confident about himself, who believes in himself. It's very similar to sales because every day we are selling ourselves. Do your best to be confident enough to sell what you are selling. One important tip to help you build your confidence is to make sure that you practice and learn your product perfectly, inside out. So the first one, believe in yourself always. Identify your target customers, the audience that you are selling to, why they want your product and how you can solve their problem. And then you need to be confident enough to be able to speak to them and explain to them why they need your products. And now on to the next one, guys, and that is hack number 4, use of social proof. So many people would love to buy from somewhere when they get other people talking about that company. If you have a product, if you have a service and someone else hears someone talking about buying from you, talking about the experience at your company, talking about how they enjoy your products, talking about how amazing you guys are, they will definitely want to come try you out. So you should take social proof very seriously. You know, with the advancement of the internet, you can prove to people that so many people have bought from you already and they trust your product, they trust your business, and they trust in your services. So do your best to be able to get and add testimonials from long-term customers, customers who believe in your company, customers who believe in your brand, customers who believe in your products, in your services, and then make sure that new and potential customers can maybe read or see or even watch videos about experiences of past customers. And remember, millennials, using the social proof really helps you to stand out from your competitors. Now guys, the 5th and final hack, follow up. If you are trying to sell something to someone, follow up is extremely important, but the manner in which you follow up is also vital for your sales success. If you don't know how to follow up, you can easily damage your reputation. And not only damage your reputation, you can lose so many customers if you do not know how to follow up with your customers. There are things that you should say, there are things that you shouldn't say when you are following up with your customers. So this is very important because even if a potential customer isn't ready to buy at that point in time, they might still be ready to buy at some point in the future. Now, while trying to follow up with that customer, there are some questions that you should use and there are some that you shouldn't use. Now look at this. Imagine that a potential customer came to your company or contacted you and wanted to buy something, and you spoke with them. They said maybe sometime in the future, and now sometime in the future has come and you are trying to talk to them or maybe send an email or a call to find out if they are still interested or if they would want to buy again. Most people or salespersons are gonna say or do it like this: I'm just following up or checking in to see if you still want to buy. No, you shouldn't say this. This is a huge mistake. What you need to say is this: I just had some time to get back to you. I was wondering if our product could be a potential solution for you, so just let me know. Now guys, take this golden advice when it comes to sales. Although you want to sell your product, although you want to sell your service, although you want to close that deal, do not sound proud and do not sound desperate. Remember, in as much as you need a potential customer to be able to seal that deal, that customer also needs you, because you must have identified a problem that customer has and you are trying to solve their problem. So you are also helping them and they are helping you in return. So it's a win-win. So you shouldn't sound desperate, you shouldn't sound too proud. Of course, you need the money and they need your service or your product. They are customers, you are the producer. Of course, they are competitors, they can go somewhere else. But then if you sell yourself well, if you're confident, if you believe in yourself and know what you are selling, then you have nothing to worry about. Just do your best to follow these 5 hacks and you will definitely seal any deal that you want and sell anything to anyone. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I really do hope that this video can help you seal any sales deal anywhere in the world. And remember, guys, if you can seal deals like this, then you will definitely be far ahead of your competitors. Oh, and talking about your competitors, if you want tricks and strategies that you can use to be able to stay ahead of all of your competitors in your business niche, check out this video right here. It's definitely going to be very helpful. These are some Chinese strategies that can help you stay ahead of your competitors and maximize your profit in your business. Doesn't matter if you're big or small business. Remember, I'm always here for you. Like and subscribe, of course, and feel free to check out my channel for any other video that you're interested in. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, this is Willen. See you next time.